Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access subdomain on Bluehost. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to access subdomain on Bluehost. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply click on this domains on the left panel right here. Once you click on this tab, on this domain tab, as you can see, you will find an expanded options right here. Simply, you will have to click add subdomain or subdomain to access them. Of course, if you want to see more about like subdomain, of course, as you can see there, they have the facts here, like the most asked questions. And if you want to answer like some questions, you can simply expand them. You'll find the answer to those questions. Of course, you can simply now click at show all. And as you can see for me, you haven't added any subdomains yet. So uh, I have no subdomains, but I can actually add ones whenever I want. And here we are actually accessing the subdomains by simply clicking at this subdomains option. So this will be actually for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.